Yeah, Matt here again. I want to introduce you to something a little bit bigger, a little bit more versatile, depends on what type of work you're doing. But this is our Master Lift 6.8 all-terrain. So all-terrain, you've got your tracks. There's other videos where I run through this exact machine. Super popular, super versatile. You get, shed builders, plumbers, electricians, anyone that's going any sort of rough terrain. Doesn't really matter what you're doing. This is really riggers. Like, there's so many different options for this small, versatile, compact machine. It'll go indoors, it'll go outdoors and go on rough terrain. Think of how many times you might have had a machine, you couldn't get up a bump, right? You got it dropped in the street, you couldn't get up the bump. Problem solved, you got tracks, you can drive up something, you know what I mean? You can drive over a gutter, put a block of wood there. You can never do that with small electric wheels. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with this machine. Fits on the trailer, just, right? You'll see it's nice and tight here. Down the end, that doesn't have much room. We custom designed this model of trailer to suit these machines, so they would work very well. And especially even if you've got multiple machines, you might have a hire business, you can use this to drop them on and off. You don't need to have a tilt tray, all that sort of stuff, so you can make some extra money as far as simply dropping them. Once again, our standard trailer, super heavy duty drawbar, obviously your coupling, safety chains, four-wheel disc brakes means you need a brake controller. This weighs about 1700 kilos. Add the trailer together, you're a little bit under 3 ton, probably about around that sort of 28, maybe 27. So not quite 3 ton, but getting close. Easy drop down ramps. We've got these pins, so you simply take the bolts out, drop it down, it'll roll straight off. Leave it hooked to your car for ease of doing it. They don't really overbalance these things, which is really good. And obviously the tracks that you've got are non-marking tracks. So if you're interested in a 6.8 AT, so 6 meters up in the air and 8 meter total height, you're more than welcome to reach out. Our website's below. If you need finance, we can help you out with finance. We can put the complete package together, deliver it to you anywhere in Australia. Very good opportunity for you, your business, extra income on the side, whichever way you want to do it. Definitely help you out with your new 6.8 AT.